Hey everyone, welcome back, where we break down the hottest stocks in the simple terms. No confusing charts or fancy talks, just straight facts to help you decide if the stock is buy or not. Today we are going to talk about Costco. The ticker symbol is COST. The share price is sitting at 920 as I'm filming this in November 2025. A lot of you keep asking if the stock is still buy or getting expensive. First, let's talk about why Costco is basically the king of retail right now. They just finished 2025 fiscal year with $275 billion in sales. That's up from 8% from last year, and profit was over $8 billion. That's almost 10% up. But here's the part everyone gets excited about: the membership money. Costco now has 81 million paid users. That's insane. In US and Canada, 93 out of 100 people renew the membership every single year. That's true loyalty. Because of all these new members and the fee increases last year, the basic went to 65, executive went to 130 membership. The membership alone brought in around 5.5 to 6 billion this year. And here's the crazy part. Those fees are pure profit for the company. They pay for pretty much all the operating cost of the company. Everything they make selling you those chicken, toilet paper is basically just an extra thing for them. They're also bringing in younger shopper. Pretty much half of the new member are under 40 years of the age. That means this business isn't going to get old or die anytime soon. Easier. Stocks can feel overwhelming with all the numbers and jargons, right? That's why I built an app. Clean, free, and super easy for stock analysis at your fingertips. Check it out to cut through the noise. October sales just came out, up 8.6%. They have now had 12 straight months of growing sales. Even their online business is growing 15 to 20% every year. And they keep opening new warehouses, 28 more this year alone. So yeah, the business itself is doing great. The stock started in 2025 around 900, shot up to 1080 in the first couple of months, then came back down. Right now it's about 925. So year to date, it's only 3 to 7% depending on exactly when you bought the stock. That's actually behind S&P 500 for once. But over the long run, Costco has pretty much crushed everything. 10 years ago, the stock was under $150. Let's do an industry comparison of Costco. Over the last 15 years, virtually every key profitability metrics has shown consistent upward trajectory. This isn't just cyclical strength, it's more of a structural improvement over the Costco business. Starting with the latest number for 2025, the gross margin sits around rock solid 12%, has remained stable typically for Costco low markup and high volume membership model. But everything below gross profit is trending stronger. Operating margin 3.77 increasing, EBIT margin 3.77 strong upward trend, EBITDA margin 4.65 strong upward trend, pre-tax profit margin 3.93 and net profit margin 2.94. Yes, these absolute numbers may look small, but that's by design in the warehouse business. But the direction and consistency is outstanding. The real standout numbers are the return on capital. Return on equity is 27, return on assets is 10%, and return on investment is impressive 23%. Costco is not only growing its top line but also doing its bottom line. Costco isn't just a volume machine anymore. It is quietly transformed into one of the highest quality, most efficient compounders in all the retail segment. The profitability engine is firing on all cylinders and just keeps getting better. Let's take a look what analysts are saying about this stock. The stock has been covered by roughly 37 analysts with a clear consensus on the bullish. The overall stock recommendation is buy. Now, in order to break down 37 analysts, 18 says strong buy, 3 says buy, 15 says hold, and just 1 alone says sell. That gives us total 21 buy or strong buy rating out of 37, which is roughly 57% of the analysts are firmly bullish on the stock. The bottom line from Wall Street, the vast majority of analysts see it continuing to outperform with meaningful price appreciation expected over next 12 months. Here is where it gets interesting. Right now, you're paying about 50 times earnings for Costco. That means for every $1 the profit company makes, you're paying $50 to own a piece of it. Compared to that Walmart, they trade around 40 times the earning. target is only 12 times, and average retailer is around 21 times. So Costco is expensive, really expensive. A lot of smart investors started getting nervous around when the stock goes above 40 times the earning. Costco is already past 50. The question is it worth it? Let's be real, nothing goes up forever. Here are the things you need to worry about when it comes to Costco. The super high price leaves almost no room for mistakes. If they ever report one slightly disappointing quarter, the stock could drop 10 to 20% in a day. It has happened before as well. The labor costs are going up, shipping cost, everything costs more. Their profit margin are already thin on the stuff they sell. If the costs keep rising, they can't raise prices without losing members, and profit will get squeezed. What if people start canceling membership? Right now only 93% renew, but if money gets real tight for the families, that $65 to $130 a year starts looking like something they can obviously cut on. Competition isn't sleeping. Sam's Club is getting better, Amazon keeps pushing the prices down. If someone figures out how to give same value without membership fee, that could hurt. If you're a long-term investor who just keeps want to own one or two great companies, forget about for them 10 years, Costco is still in the best business in America. I wouldn't be shocked if the stock goes in 2000 in next 10 years from now. But if you're looking to buy today and flip it in year or two, you hate premium pricing, then maybe wait for a dip. Maybe 10 to 15% pullback would not surprise me at all with these valuations. I'm not in a rush to buy at 920, but I'm also not selling what I have. Think of it like really nice house in the best neighborhood. It's expensive, but it's expensive for a reason. Alright, that's full Costco picture in November. Let me know in the comments, do you own Costco, or are you buying more, holding, or waiting for a cheaper price? If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.